Tech Girl, and in this video I'm going to be showing you all how to make a Google account. And it can be a new one, or you just don't like your email address and want to replace it. So first of all, you want to go to the settings, and then you want to scroll down and find accounts. Click on that. Now click add account. Now you want to click Google. And then you want to put in your pattern. I'm going to pause the video. After you put in your pattern, it will say checking info and then add your account. So click on create or create a new account. And then you want to type in your first name, which is what I'm just doing an example because I actually want to create one. Whatever. Sure. Okay, so I'm gonna click next. So you wanna type in random stuff, but make sure you do it right. Type in the year, and I'm typing fake stuff. So I'm gonna click female. Next. Now you wanna click and beware guys, do not spam this email because I'm going to be deleting it after this tutorial. So I'm going to type in whatever after. I'll just get whatever after 6. Okay, so now we want to create a password. Oops, I think I made a mistake. Okay, now you want to click next. So now, okay, so now click the skip button if you want to add your phone number, and if you don't, click skip. I don't want to add it. Now you want to go down and click I agree. You can actually read all that stuff because I think Google collects your data and stuff, so you should read that before creating a Google account. Now click next, and it will check it. Check your information, and okay, so it's ready. Once you click on Google, it will load up your account. And there you go. Whatever after 6 at gmail.com is created. So I'm going to delete this account now, but thank you guys so much for watching how to make a Google account. I hope you subscribe if you want to see more technology videos. Thank you so much. Bye.